Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here at this battery store because the battery on my RS457 is dead. It's been almost 1.5 years since I have bought this motorcycle and it has done 30,000 kilometers. So it's time to replace the battery because every 2 to 3 days I just park it idle and it just refuses to start, which means that the battery has gone dead. Today also when I started it, it was not starting. So I came to this battery shop to replace the battery. I jump started it and got it here. So this is the old battery that we got with the motorcycle. It's a black color Excite battery. Usually the stock motorcycles get black battery, but I am going for this battery. So this is the new battery. It says 48 months of warranty, and it is costing me 2100 with exchange. So if I buy it without exchange, it will be around 2400. But I'm giving off this battery to purchase this one. So this is the exact battery that is going to be installed on my RS457, and you can see all the terminals and everything is removed. So let's go ahead and install the new battery on my RS457. The battery is installed. Let's crank it and see how much voltage it has. So you can see it shows 12.5 volts. So because this is a new battery and it will start within one cell. Yes, the bike has started with a brand new Excite battery. So this was the video for you guys. I hope you found it helpful. If yes, give it a thumbs up and post your thoughts in the comment section below.